How to invite people to like your Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can invite people to like your Facebook page using Meta Business Suite, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you'll see a list of instructions on the home screen, as well as a list of things that you've done so far on your Meta Business Suite page. So once you've done this or seen this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, scroll down and click on the settings options. After clicking on the settings option on the settings page, move to the left side of the screen again. Under the account tab, ensure you click on pages. So after clicking on pages, click on the page that you'd like to invite friends to join. Then move to the top part of the screen, click on the more options button, and then click on view on Facebook. After clicking on view on Facebook, you'll be taken to the Facebook's page. So on this page, you can see the option. You can just cancel this, and then once you can see all of this, the next step is to go ahead and scroll down. All right, yeah. So once you scroll down, you can see the page, you can see the number of likes and the number of followers. And the next step is to move to the right side of the screen, where you can see three horizontal dots or ellipses. Just click on it, and then the options displayed, you can see invite friends. So just select that, and then you can now decide the friends that you would like to invite. All right, so these are all of it. And then if you want, you can now go ahead to start selecting them one after the other, or you can just click on select all, and then just click on send invitations, and then just like that your invitations will be sent. And then once they accept the invitation, they would automatically like your page. So this is how it works. This is how you can invite friends to like your page through Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.